Alright, I have a $5 fidget spinner here and a brand new $20 fidget spinner here. So, I'm going to see which one's better. This one goes super fast. Okay, that hurts. Okay, that's how I'm going to test how they go faster, by hitting them against my head. I don't know why, but that's just fun. And this is the $20 fidget spinner. It's heavier, faster, and it's made of metal, so. Ow!
Evan.
Do I have a knot on my head?
It's a bread.
So this one definitely goes faster and it's more fun. This one's brand new. And this one's a couple days old, so. That's the end of the video. So if you have a fidget spinner, post a video about it and touch it against your head. It hurts.